Every chocolate story begins with cocoa beans, harvested by hand and selected for quality before they ever reach the factory.
Cocoa beans are roasted to perfection, unlocking the rich flavors of chocolate. Powders are blended precisely to create consistent flavors for drinks like Nescafe and Nesquik.
Cocoa pods glisten under the morning rain, ready to be transformed into the chocolate we all love.
Pure milk flows into chilled stainless tanks, preserving its freshness for processing.
Nestle sources ingredients from diverse climates to maintain consistent quality worldwide. Every kernel is sorted meticulously, ensuring only the best grains are used.
Milk is cooled rapidly, locking in nutrients before it continues its journey to production. Cocoa beans are shipped globally, forming the backbone of Nestle's chocolate products.
Meticulously organized shipments ensure timely delivery across international markets. From ports to factories, every ingredient travels with precision and care. Ingredients arrive at the facility, ready to begin their transformation into Nestle products. Cocoa beans are roasted to perfection, unlocking the rich flavors of chocolate. Powders are blended precisely to create consistent flavors for drinks like Nescafe and Nesquik.
Maggi noodles are cooked and shaped with precision on high-speed production lines.
Chocolate cools slowly, forming its smooth texture and glossy finish.
Spray drying converts liquids into powders, a critical step for beverages and instant products. Robots sample products continuously, ensuring consistency in taste and texture.
Lab tests confirm that every batch meets Nestle's strict quality standards.
Precise measurements guarantee that flavors and textures remain consistent.
Chocolate solidifies perfectly, ready to be shaped into bars and treats.
Beverage powders are carefully portioned into containers for packaging.
Packaging begins with precision-printed films, designed to protect freshness and brand identity.
Air knives trim excess material, creating clean and secure packaging edges. Molten chocolate is molded, cooled, and wrapped into its final iconic form.
Powdered beverages are sealed in protective sachets to preserve flavor and quality.
Different products move simultaneously through synchronized production lines.
Heat sealing locks in freshness and ensures long shelf life.
Shrink wrapping stabilizes pallets, preparing them for global transportation.
Every product is stored systematically, ready for worldwide distribution. Finished products leave the factory on carefully scheduled transport routes.
Air freight ensures fast delivery to global markets.
Every package reflects quality, trust, and consistency.
From raw ingredients to global shelves, this is the Nestle process.